Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Warzone stuck on loading screen so you can finally get into the game without endless waiting or freezing. First, restart your PC because temporary system or network glitches can often cause loading issues. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable since Warzone requires a constant connection to load properly. After that, verify the game files through bottle.net or Steam to repair any corrupted or missing data. You should also close all background applications like browsers, overlays, and recording software to free up system resources. Another important step is to disable overlays such as Discord or GeForce Experience because they can interfere with loading. Also, make sure your graphics drivers are updated to the latest version. If the issue continues, try running the game as administrator. Finally, restart your PC and launch Warzone again and it should load properly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.